In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem a coupon code on Steam. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. Add an item to your cart and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see a summary of your cart contests. If you have any applicable coupons, they will be automatically applied to your purchase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this